Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial I want to show you how to calculate the area for each class and also on how to calculate the percentage for each class in land use land cover. Okay, so to do that, since this is a raster format, I will right click on the land use and go to properties to check my cell size. Okay, so I will come down to source. You come over to source to check my cell size. You can see that the cell size for X and Y is 10 by 10. Okay, so after doing that I will close this. Okay, then I will come over to my line use again, then open attribute table. Okay, you can see the class name. Okay, so I will add another field. Come to table option to add another field. So I will name this to be area. Then I will leave the type to be a double. Okay, so after doing that I will click on OK to add a new field to my table. Okay, so I will highlight it and right click on it and come to field calculator. The reason why the calculate geometry is grayed out is because it is a raster data, not a vector data. Okay, so to calculate for my area, I'm going to use the count because count represents the total number of each class. So count equal to 10 times 10, that is the cell size for X and Y. 10 times 10 divided by 10,000, because at times land is always measured in hectares. Okay, so after doing that I will click on OK to calculate for my area. Okay, you can see that I've been able to calculate for my area successfully. Okay, so the next thing is for me to calculate the percentage for each class. Okay, so to do that I will still come over to table option to add a new field. Okay, so I will name this to be percentage. Then the type should be a double. After doing that I will click on OK. Okay, so before calculating for my percentage, I will right click on the area to check the sum of the total area. Okay, so I will copy the sum of the total area, because area equal to area divided by the sum of the total area times 100. Okay, so I will copy this. After doing that I will close this window. Okay, I will come over to percentage, highlight it, and come to field calculator. You can see that the field geometry is still grayed out. This is because my data is in raster format, not in vector format. Okay, so I will come over here, right, double click on the area divided by the total area. one I copied, so I will paste it here. Okay, this is the total area multiply by 100 because we are calculating for percentage. So after doing that, I will click on OK. So our percentage has been calculated. Okay, so the next step now is for me to use this percentage and create a graph. Okay, so first let's check the sum of the percentage. You can see that our percentage is equal to 100, which shows that our calculation is correct. Okay, so the next thing is for me to plot a graph with it. So I will come over to table option. Okay, then I will scroll down to create graph. Okay, there are so many graph types, so I will select any of it. Okay, my X field, I will choose my percentage. Okay, value field, I will still choose on percentage. Okay, then bar size, I will reduce it to 35. It all depends on how you want your graph to appear. Okay, or how you want your graph to look like. Okay, my vertical axis, I will leave it at the left. Then the horizontal axis to be at the top. You can choose any of these, either the top or the bottom. Okay, so the bar style, we have so many styles. You can choose cylinder, arrow, any one of these, rectangle, pyramid, invert pyramid. You can choose any of these. Okay, for the bar type, you can choose any of these options. Show borders, you check in this box. Okay, you show your graph borders. Okay, you can choose to show label. I don't want to show label. Okay, after doing that, you click on next. Okay, then title, so you add up your title. Okay, LULC map of 2023. Okay, then your graph legend, give it a name. You add title to it. So the title, I will add up LULC LULC percentage, because it shows the total number of percentage for each class. Okay, then I will choose my graph to be in 3D format. Okay, you can see that our graph is in 3D. Okay, I will check in this box, graph in 3D view. Okay, after doing that, I will click on finish. Okay, the next thing is for me to position the graph in my map. Okay, so I will right click on it and come to add to layer. Okay, you can see that our graph has been added to the layer. Okay, so at this point you can go ahead to arrange your graph to suit with what you want. Okay guys, that is how to calculate the total area, and also calculate for percentage for each class in land use land cover mapping. Please do well to hit on the subscribe button, share the video to others so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.